Have you noticed that almost everything feels more expensive lately? From food to daily essentials, prices are rising. But why is this happening? Let's discuss. First, global events still affect us. Disruptions from COVID-19, Ukraine war, and international supply chain problems have pushed up the prices of imported goods like wheat, oil, and animal feed. Second, currency impact. Even though the ringgit is improving this year, it is weak for the past few years. When the ringgit is weak, the importers need to pay more, and those costs will absorb to consumers like us. Number 3, subsidy changes. Government is now switching from blanket subsidies to the targeted one. For example, diesel prices were recently floated, and that will affect the transport costs, which is directly will affect the prices of the goods in stores. Number 4, local issues. In Malaysia, prices are also go up because of middlemen and poor supply. It's not just about cost but also the profits that being taken in between. Bad weather also can affect the agriculture, making the vegetables, eggs and fish more expensive. So in short, rising prices are affected by both global issues and local weaknesses. Understanding the reasons can make us more prepared and finding solutions to cater all the problems. So if you like my video, please give me likes, shares and comments. See you in the other video. Thank you.